Good morning, everybody. We're just finishing up our pre-market analysis. We have a lot more longs than shorts. We got about four, five, six, seven longs, two shorts. Um, Also, we need to go see if it's tradable. Let's see. Because I can only trade certain symbols.
Hey, Lily from AT&T here with some helpful
What in the
tips.
world?
Tip number 1. You can currently get
Oh, here, the market's already open and we only got 15 minutes. So, um, they just won't let me trade it if it's not tradable. So. All right. Okay. APA already has a nice little. Oh. Wow. I was gonna say it already has a nice little resistance, but it looks like there's no level 2 on it, so I couldn't have traded it anyway. PayPal did the same thing. Jeez. Check it out. See what you want to see? This is the gap and go strategy, the minute gap and go strategy. Um, it gaps up, pulls back on the first candle. You see that rejection. Second candle, you get in at the break. That was such a clean gap and go right there. Um, it's all right though. Some are just way too fast. Let's see. All right. Nothing interesting at the moment. Ooh, look at PayPal. It's flying. Hmm. I like that mRNA is getting rejected at that 78 level, but it's only down 2.4%. So we'll probably stay away from it for a minute. Hmm. Okay, UPS did something funny. Look at that. I mean, I never would have taken it, but that's a weird looking pattern, I ain't gonna lie. Hmm. Nothing interesting. Car might be doing a little something something. Hmm. Again, I apologize that I'm so quiet. I'm just looking for opportunities. Okay. Check out OSTK. Might give us an opportunity soon. I don't know, but it did pull back. Stopped at 64. Look at this. 6 points though. Wow. That is definitely not normal for OSTK. I think, check this out. Yeah. Look at that. In a couple months, all the way from 20. See, I knew this stock. I used to trade this stock around 14 or 15. Um, and now it's at 70, which is a little wild. And it looks terrible on the 2 minute. Hmm. Nothing very interesting is happening here. Okay, OSTK wasn't bad. I probably could have taken it above 68.20, but yeah, that would have been a good, let's see, 2 minute. Eh, it wouldn't have been terrible on the 1 minute, but it's not great, if I'm being honest. Hmm. Got an interesting trade right here. If it gets above 15.30, stop at 15.10. Oh, yeah. No, I just shorted it. Oh my gosh. I gotta get used to these hotkeys. Okay. Man, where'd I get filled? 1543, 10 cents. I feel like I got filled halfway in. I'm gonna just close that out. Yeah, that wasn't good. Very, very bad. Messed up my hotkey, which I got filled at 1534 for that, which wouldn't have been bad. But then I tried to, get in long, got filled halfway in because it was 20 cents, right? If you see this down here, 1540 average fill price. The target was 1550, and it just wasn't worth it to wait and accidentally, look at that. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. That was very quick. Um, it's all right though. Let's see. Might not be much of a day today. That might not be a good trading day for me. Let's see. Hmm. PayPal. I don't know. I don't trust it with the market just coming down too. Market gap down and it's coming down. We'll see what happens. And it's not the greatest setup considering the way it just kind of came down like this. It came down so much. Hmm. What I do like is this little man. It's not a spinning top because it's not the top. I forgot like what it would be called. Um, but it is a reversal candle. 193.30. Hmm. It's very tempting to take. I just don't know because we'll sit and wait this one out because if you're not sure, it's better to stay out. It's the type of trade we just watch, and then if it works, maybe when it comes around again, we take it, or if it works two times, we keep our eyes on it. Unless it starts to look a lot better, because if it starts to look a lot better, I might be interested. Well, SPY's about to break the lows anyway. Mm, yeah, look at PayPal. If you want to update on the trade that I got out of really quickly, HBI. So what happened with this, as you can see, is entry above 1530, even an entry above 1525 right here for a 15-cent stop. That's really tight though. Let me see on the 2 minute. Yeah, that's really tight. So safe entry above 1530, 20-cent stop, 20-cent target. Tapped it on the chart. I don't think it quite got there on the level two, but it came so close. You might have wanted to take your target if since it pulled back like it did. Um, but I accidentally shorted it. Then I jumped out and tried to get in long. Like I said, shorted at 1534, um, a little 4 cent loss. And then I tried to hop in at 1540, or I tried to hop in, but it filled me at 1540, which was halfway to my target. And by the time I was at my target, it was like, okay, well, it's there and it's pulling back. So I just hopped out for a $40 loss. So it's not bad. Let's look at QCOM. QCOM was nice, but it triggered after my 15-minute mark. So I'm not allowed to take a trade after the first 15 minutes unless I won one in the first 15 minutes, if that makes sense to everybody. So yeah, QCOM would have been good above, I'd say around 102.50 to be honest. 102.60. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, we're not green today. We're a little red. I would say it's more break even because I made a small mistake with my hotkeys. I gotta get used to those. I think my mind was so ready to short that I pressed my short button, but it's all right. Things like that happen, especially when you go to a new platform and you change a lot of things around. Um, but that's all right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Sorry I couldn't, show you how to make some money. But I did show you how not to lose money. There are a lot of patterns that weren't very well. The only patterns that were good were QCOM and then PayPal. We had a couple others like let's take a look at OSTK. That one didn't hit target. Look, because look, the 2 minute sucked. Look at that. Target would have been what, 2 points, so it would have been to 70. It did not reach that. Um, it's all right. UPS. It's breaking out, but I wouldn't have taken this setup. This setup doesn't really fit my criteria personally. There's no like U shape. It's just kind of ascending, you know? That could easily just drop. Let's see. But yeah, I guess that concludes the day. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you tomorrow. All right. Bye.